In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok password on PC. First, open your TikTok account in your web browser. If you click on the gear icon to check the settings, you'll notice there isn't an option to change your password directly, since TikTok hasn't enabled it there yet. But don't worry, there's another way. Go to your profile by clicking your profile icon at the top right, then select Log Out. Confirm by clicking Log Out again, and you'll be signed out of TikTok. Now, click the Login button. TikTok may ask you to complete a simple verification puzzle. Just solve it and continue. Next, choose Use Phone, Email, or Username, then select Login with email or username. Here, click on Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your TikTok account, then tap Resend Code. Open your email inbox, copy the verification code TikTok sends you, and paste it back into the login screen. Now, set your new password. Once you've typed it in, click Login. You'll now be signed in with your new password, and from this point on, you'll use it to log into TikTok. That's it. You've successfully changed your TikTok password on PC. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.